Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua. Subject English, Standard 8, Unit 6, the Tannetar Fair. So in previous session we have completed activity number 8. We fill the blanks by using verb, adverb, noun, adjective. Now let us see activity number 9. First of all, A, we will see. When you read the word class, different words associated with it come to your mind and create mental pictures. For example, students, when we say about class, then first picture will come in our mind, that is students. The screeching sound of chalks when we are writing, when the teachers are writing on the board, then screeching sound will be made of chalks. When chalks will be used for writing, then screeching, scratching sound will come. When teachers are writing, teachers will speak in class, that picture also will come in our mind, etc. Refer to the lesson and write all the words connected with the following. Now in the below, some words are given. These words we have to use, and these words are associated with what? That we will have to write. Like how it is written about class, then student, then screeching of sound of chalk, teachers, then bell, then principal, then books, notebooks. These all things are associated with the class. Now the same way, other things also we will see, like dancers, music, dances, and fair. First of all, dancers. Embellished, free-spirited, spontaneous, moving in unison, clacking sticks, glittering ornaments, colorful costumes, black zimmy, red zimmy, colorful dhotis, artistically designed waistcoats, headcloth twisted at an angle, striking umbrellas, revelry. This is about dancer. Now music. Incessant throbbing of drums, continuous beating of drum. Tunes of Jodia Pavas or double flutes. Bhajan Mandalis, people will gather and sing God or Goddess song. Bhajan Mandalis. Folk instruments. Then dances. Folk dance. Traditional dance. Circular dance in a circular form. Ras Garba or Ras dance. Rahado, Rasada, free-spirited movements. Hudo, revelry, ethnic, clacking of sticks. This is all about variety of dances. Now last and fourth, fair. This is we study Tannetar Fair. Now related with the fair, what things we find in fair? Stalls selling beautiful local handicrafts. In fair, we see stalls are there, and in shop, the shopkeepers are selling beautiful local handicrafts. Then ethnic jewelry, traditional jewelry will be sold. Statues of deities, god and goddesses, statues were also sold, are also sold. Traditional attire embroidered with tiny mirrors which are applied on the dress, on the attire, embroidered. Stitch, the small mirror are stitched on the attire, on the cloth, on the traditional cloth that we see kadiyu, or we see chaniya choli are worn by the girls and boys. Then merry-go-round in a circular shape that we see in fair. Photographer stall, one stall also will be there of photographer. They will take our photo for our remembrance into fair. Magic show, magician will show their power, their knowledge, their magic. Then tattoo artist, some of the artists will make tattoo on the body, on the muscles, on the neck, on the chest, on hand, on the wrist. They will make, that is a mark of our presence. A large variety of visitors, then many people will be there in fair. Fair we know that not limited people, but many people will come together, many people will visit, amassing of the people we can see in fair. So here is the end of activity 9 along with our session. We will stop here. Remaining part of activity 9 we will see later. So thank you very much.